What would you do if a digital predator targeted your child? Today, we uncover the dark world of sextortion that is claiming young lives. In the digital shadows, predators lurk, targeting the vulnerable. Jordan, a bright teenager, became ensnared in such a trap. On a seemingly ordinary day, Jordan was approached on Instagram by what appeared to be a girl his age. This girl, however, was a facade, a digital mask worn by sextortion scammers from Nigeria. They lured Jordan into sharing personal images, then mercilessly blackmailed him. Jordan, desperate and terrified, complied with their demands, sending money in hopes of protecting his dignity. But the threats escalated. "Good. Do that fast, or I'll make you do it," they responded coldly to his pleas. Within 6 hours, Jordan, overwhelmed by despair, took his own life. The aftermath of this tragedy sparked a global outcry. The criminals, two brothers from Lagos, were arrested and extradited to the US, facing serious charges. But the question remains, how many Jordans are out there suffering in silence? As parents, it's crucial to discuss the dangers of online interactions with our children, teach them to safeguard their digital footprints, and to seek help when threatened online. For Jordan's family, the fight continues, advocating for stricter regulations and raising awareness about sextortion. Let this story be a grim reminder. The digital world holds not just opportunities, but profound dangers. Vigilance and open communication could save a life. Remember, it's okay to ask for help.